Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we're at Embassy Suites, which is located in Williamsburg, Virginia. This is part of the Hilton Honors Suite Hotel. And as you can see, we're going to take a full, complete, comprehensive tour around the complete hotel, looking at the rooms, the pool, breakfast, proximity to Williamsburg, and so much more. This is going to be very instrumental in helping you plan your vacation experience. There's some things that we really enjoyed about the hotel, while some things that felt, needed to be improved. And we're going to go through all of that starting right now. This is what the hotel looks like on the outside, and to be frank and honest with you, I don't feel it has a great amount of curb appeal. When I see it from the outside, I don't necessarily want to go in and find out what's inside. However, going inside, in my opinion, is the biggest surprise. It doesn't have the 1800s appeal like some of the older historic hotels in the area. However, it does have a little bit of charm in the front lobby. This is the most you're going to get with the chandeliers and the painting right there. So if you're looking for that 1800 type feel, historic charm, you're going to be disappointed with the at least this hotel. This is the marketplace area, and just talking about the front desk, I found the people there to be knowledgeable about the hotel and very nice and friendly. However, when it comes to being knowledgeable about the Williamsburg area, not all of them were that familiar. They can tell you very clearly how to get down there, but as far as what to do, what's going on, not so much of a concierge type of experience. This is the lounge area, which is just off the lobby, and it does have a type of a newish type experience. It felt like it was a hotel that got renovated. There were some parts of the bones of the hotel that felt pretty old, but this part was pretty new. And I love the waterfall there because it had a nice, relaxing, tranquil sound of a waterfall. This is the bar area, and this is what you see when you first enter the hotel. So it has a pleasant look, in my opinion, kind of a new modern feel. To come down here, hang out, read a book, and just relax, I think is pretty nice. Just off the lounge area is connected and sort of the breakfast area, and this is one of the better features of the hotel. It gives a full, complete, complimentary breakfast. It is a full breakfast, not just a continental breakfast. So you're going to have a station where you can go and make omelets. It does. They do serve you the food, but especially some of the more premier food like the bacon and sausage and things like that. However, it's all you can eat, and the portions sizes are pretty large, and you can really fill up here for the day. The breakfast, in my opinion, is, if not the best reason for being here, one of the reasons why you should really consider staying here, because it was really outstanding in my opinion. This is what it kind of looks like at breakfast time, and as you can see, it gets pretty full. Pretty much everybody in the hotel takes advantage of this. Now, the seating does get limited after a certain point. It does get crazy busy. You will see the line here. It actually extends much further for the omelet station than what we see on this video. But if the seating runs out, a lot of people don't know, but there's a restaurant connected to it, and this is it right here. And you can sit here with your breakfast, and as you can see, there are plenty of seatings available there. One of the big selling features of the hotel is this right here, and that's the indoor pool. So if you're here in dead winter, you have at least the option of enjoying the pool space, which is pretty nice. It's not huge, but for the hotel and for the price point that this hotel rents at, I think it's one of the better features of the hotel. For you morning people who love to work out, or if you just want to get healthy during vacation, well, it has, in my opinion, a well-equipped fitness center that you're likely going to find something here that will get you at least, if not maintaining your workout level, maybe increasing it. So I think it was pretty well appointed considering the price point of this hotel. We are going to move on to take a look at the room next, but if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you're not interested in following my channel, the best way you can support me is just simply hit the like button. That doesn't take much, and it would really help the growth of my channel. So we're going to enter the room now and take a look around. And as you can see from the first images, us stepping into the bathroom, it looks fairly modern. Considering the exterior of the hotel, again, it looks like they went through a recent renovation, but we were very pleased and surprised with the level of craftsmanship and quality of the overall room, and the bathroom here looks really, really nice. And I'm gonna take you into the main living area. There's another surprise waiting for you, but there's also signs of some decay. You look down the bottom here, you see some decay. The furniture does look a little bit worn, but it's in fairly good shape. And you have this kitchenette area, this like living room area within the bedroom, and we thought this was absolutely awesome. It has a little kitchenette, and as we move further on, you see the bedroom area here, and this is awesome, especially if you have a large family like I do, because we had 6 people staying in there. The couch that you saw earlier was folded out. You see it has a microwave as well as a refrigerator, which helped make the stay very nice. It does have plugs, not a lot of USB ports. It does have some on the alarm clock, but this is a pretty nice room. We were pretty well satisfied staying in this room. As we take a closer look at the hotel room, again, not a lot of complaints. It was really nice and well done. One of the things that really made it feel like it wasn't so small is the fact that it had that living room area. You could go out, order food, bring it in, put it in the fridge, even have snacks and things like that that you could store within the fridge, and it helped cut down on the overall cost of the vacation. And also with the extra space made it feel like home. Now remember I said that outside bed turned into, outside sofa turned into a bed, and you can see that's what it looks like right there. So we had 6 people in here, and it was pretty comfortable. Again, there were some signs of wear and tear, as would be expected in a hotel this old. However, it wasn't overwhelming. I didn't feel like it was dirty or it was too bad, but there were indications, not just in the room, but throughout the hotel, that kind of showed its age a little bit. So overall, is it worth staying here? In my opinion, yes, especially if you have a large family and you're planning on doing things in the Williamsburg area. That's because it's really close to downtown Williamsburg. You can walk it, it'll be a long walk, but it's a very short drive. And as you can see some of these pictures, the hotel is a bit older, so it's going to show some of its age. However, it does have some unique qualities, like this big overlook right here that just have a sense of grandeur. So overall, yes, is it worth the money? I think so. It's about right on the price point.